Okay, so this is a single node in doubly linked list that we have. So every node will have a next link, okay, and every node will have a backlink in place. Okay, so that we are working on. Okay, so how what we'll say means the node data type. Okay, so it will have like this. Okay, so we'll have a struct initially, then we'll have a node that we are written. So otherwise you can do node type. Okay, so first thing we'll have this what we'll say and what we can say data. Okay, so item type, it may be an integer, it may be a float, it may be a structure, it may be anything. Okay, so that you can say, so that is info, so that will be initially, and then we'll have two pointers. One pointer is the next pointer and one pointer is the back pointer. Getting? Hello? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now suppose this is an example that we have. So we'll have the initial pointer we have. Okay, so every pointer will have its next link. Okay, and every pointer will have its previous link. Okay, so if we see, this is the next link, this is the previous link. Okay, this is the next link. Okay, this is the previous link. Okay, so if we consider this as a node like layer, okay, so it will have this particular thing as a previous link. Okay, and this particular thing as a next link. Okay, so every node is connected to the previous node as well as to the next node. Okay, so it is very much what we'll say efficient to traverse from left to right and from right to left. Getting? Okay, so if we see, okay, so now we'll just create a short program for the doubly linked list initially. Okay, as for we did to the singly linked list. So now if we see, okay, so we'll see a small example. So this is my one node which I have created. Okay, to the program what we need to write. Okay, so to the program I have to write struct node. Okay, in this node I have to write two things, that is integer data. Okay, and we'll have node star next. Okay, and we'll have node star previous. Okay, so these are the two things we have created. Getting? Initial about the node. Okay, so this we can represent as a node in single doubly linked list. Okay, so this will have a node in single link doubly linked list. Okay, so now we'll just see one another part, that is insert, or we can say insert or create new node. Okay, so that we have in this case. Okay, so what we'll do now in insert or create new node. Okay, so the things we have to work with. Okay, so now what we'll do, so now there will be always head node. Okay, so that we have head node, so we have to create like this node star head. Okay, star tail I can say. Okay, and we'll have some star temp. Okay, so these three we can create. Okay, getting everyone? Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these three nodes will need initially. Okay, so now what we'll do now, we'll just insert one single element into this particular linked list. Okay, so we'll see how the pointers will be switched and how the pointers will be created. Okay, so now I will have another node, so that is node star new node. Okay, so what we'll do now, new node is equal to new node. Okay, so that will allocate the space to that new node. Okay, then what we'll do, new node data is equal to some number. Okay, new node next is equal to null. Okay, and this new node previous is equal to null. Okay, so that particular part we have created as a new node. Okay, so this we have created now. So with this, what will happen, this new node is created. Okay, with the data as 30 over here, data is 30 over here. Okay, and its previous also null and its next also null. Okay, so now we have two pointers. Okay, one pointer is a head pointer and one pointer is a tail pointer. So initially where there is two should point at initial, if there is a single node only, where they should point. Yes. Hello.
Next node.
That should be the new node. Okay, so your head should point to the same location. So I can say head should point over here. Okay, initially, because this is the first node, and tail should be pointing over the same node. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
both
sir.
should point to the same node that we have. Okay, so now what we'll do now, how to do this? Okay, so if we have to work on this, so how to do this? So I will just work like this. Okay, so now suppose I will say if head equal to null. Okay, so initially what we have to do now, okay, before we'll just consider we have initialize head to null. Okay, and if this particular new node comes, okay, so what we'll do? Okay, I'll just write head is equal to tail is equal to new node. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this case, okay, this case will work for first element. I can say this we can work for, okay, first element. Now suppose this is my first element which is created, head is equal to tail is equal to new node that is created. So now again we have created one another node. Okay, so that node will be created like this. So one another node will be created like this. Okay, so to this node we'll have again the same thing. Okay, whose previous we have kept null, whose next we have kept null. Okay, so for every new node creation, just consider this code. Okay, so this will be the code. So that will be return in function some function. Okay, so with the data which we are assigned to that. Okay, so to this new node I have assigned data as 5, suppose. Okay, so that is assigned as 5 data. Okay, so now what should be now to be done? Okay, so what to be done now? Yes, how that node to be a part of our linked list, doubly linked list? Yes.
So tail should point that node, new node.
Okay. So always tail will be like this. So tail will be moved over here. Okay. So tail will be moved over here. So now tail is pointing to over here. So one line I will write like this. Okay. In our text, one line I will tell like this. Okay. If it is not like that, the first thing I will do, tail is equal to new node. Okay. Tail is moved now. Okay. Next, what we have to do?
Sir, new node previous is equal to new node, and new node next is equal to also new node. Sir,
Okay,
can we?
yes, that new node next is already null. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, so that is already null. Okay, no issue. But now there should be a link from head to new node and new node to head. Okay, so is there
Yes, sir.
any?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we how we can do this? Yes. How we can do
Next
this?
is equal to head next is equal to new node, and new node previous is equal to head.
Okay, so if we do that, we'll do this. Okay, so what we'll do now? Okay, so I'll do this head next is equal to new node. Okay, and I will make new node previous is equal to head. Same thing you are saying.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what will now it will happen? Okay, so I will just set up this. Okay, so now suppose if we create a link of this. Okay, so I will create a link of this. Suppose these are the new links. Okay, so head next will be new node. So this link is created, and new node previous is equal to head. So that is created. So now this new node is part of this particular list. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now suppose we'll take one another node. Okay, so there is one another node comes over here. Okay, so this is my new node. Okay, so with some value at 7, suppose. Okay, so again its previous is null and its next is null. So now tell me how to make this node as a part of this doubly linked list. Will the same code work? Okay, this much code will work, or anything new thing
No,
we
no,
have to
no.
do? Yes, tell me. Yes. Yes, what to do then? It's very simple actually.
सर टेल तसंच राहिलं.
Till is equal to new node, so that will be same. Yes.
Tell me will, sir. Tell me will. Yeah.
Okay, this line will work. Okay, this will be keep as it is. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else? But can we use, instead of using head, can we use this tell?
Yes, sir. We can.
Okay. So what
Tell
we'll do now?
previous is equal to new node.
Yes, yes. So what we'll do now? So it's very simple actually. So what we'll do now? Tell next. Next is equal to new node. Okay. And new node previous is equal to tell. So will it work? And then we'll make tell is equal to, we can make new node or tell next, anything we can do. Will it work now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll
Yes,
just check what will happen now. So with the consideration of this, I will just remove this. Okay. So now tell is now here. Okay, at this place. And this new node is over here. Okay. So now what we have to do now? Okay. So my tell next. Okay. So is equal to over here. Okay. So tell next is equal to new node. Okay. So this next is pointing over here. Okay. New node previous is equal to tell. Okay. So that will work. Okay. So now this link is created. So next we will make tell is equal to new node, or we can make tell is equal to tell next. Yes. Getting? To insert at the end, so that we can say. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, if you have to add the new node at the end, so that will add it at the tail end. Okay. So this side. Okay. If you have to insert at the head, so we'll create a new node over here. Okay. And we'll make this next is equal to head. Head previous is equal to this. Okay. And we'll make head is equal to new node. So that will add at the initial place. Getting? Hello.
yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this way doubly linked list will work. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll create a small code for this doubly linked list. Okay. We'll add 2-3 nodes in this. Okay. And then it will traverse from this side, and then we'll traverse from reverse side. Okay. So till in between, if you have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay. So just use that. We'll write struct, or we can make type def struct. Okay. Just say node. Okay. Int data. Okay. Then node star next, node star previous. Okay. So that will make, so we'll just make this. Okay. And we'll just write using namespace std. Okay. So that we have. So okay. So we'll do like this. Okay. So next what we have to do now, I will create one module. Okay. So that is insert node. Okay. And to the insert node, I will pass number. Okay. So which number to be inserted, so that I will pass. Okay. Okay. So we'll create this insert node. Okay. So that is int number. Okay. So that will create. Okay. Okay. So insert node will create this function. Okay. So I'll write insert node as a function. Okay. So what should be the return type of this insert node function? Okay. So its return type should be node. Okay. So that node will be returned over here. So we'll write node star. Okay. So that will return. So we'll have this, what we'll say, node star new node. Okay. So it will create new node is equal to number. Okay, new node next. Okay, is equal to what? Null. Yes, new
Yes, sir.
new node previous is equal to null. Okay, so that will create. Okay, so that we have initially. Why this error to number? Okay, so it should be new node data. Okay, new node data is equal to number. New node next is null. New node previous is null. Okay, so that we have initially. Okay, so this will create new node. Okay, so in main, what will create now? In main, we have node star head. Okay, then we'll have star tel. Okay, star temp. Okay, so these many will take. Okay, so this will create new node. What's an error over here? Okay, so that should return. Okay, new node. Okay, so that we'll have over here. Okay, so node head is there, tail is there, and this. Okay, so now what we do? So this much is clear how it is created. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Insert node. Okay, so we'll have instead of insert node, you'll call it as a create node. Anyway, you can do. Okay, so this terminology I will explain you. The procedure and function names you can keep with you. Okay, so by your own understanding, you can create the function and all the things. Okay, so now we'll have this node star head star tel. Okay, so what I will do now? So what we have to check now? So we'll just call this insert node function with suppose one number 20. So now what we have to check? Initially, we'll just make this head is equal to null. Okay, so not only head, we'll just make tail is equal to null. Okay, so and we'll just see now initially if head is equal to null. Okay, so what we have to do in this case? What we have to do if head is equal to null? What to be done? Yes, what we have done here, if head is equal to null, so this head is equal to tail is equal to new node. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
कळतं ना सगळ्यांना काय चाललंय? Okay. So now this we have created head is equal to tail is equal to new node. So that's new node is now head and tail both are attached to new node. Okay. So now the next thing what we have to do. So if it is not null, okay. So then else part what we have to do if it is not null. If it is not null, then we have to do what to be done. Suppose there is second insert node. What we do? काय करायला लागेल जर का तो नसेल नंतर? Yes, all are there in the lecture or just you have joined the meet? What's the test at?
सर आहे.
Okay, so कळते का नाही कळते काय विषय? कळते का नाही कळते?
थोडं थोडं कळतं सर.
काय कळत नाही ते बोला ना म्हणजे मला सांगता येईल तसं. हे कळते का काय चाललंय हे शिकवतंय ते? इथलं हे कळलं काही सगळी टर्मिनॉलॉजी कळली हे आपण एवढा कोड का लिहिलाय ते? येस.
येस सर.
ओके. आणि हे कळते का कोड आता काय चाललाय? Why I have created this new node? Why it is made next null, previous null, data we have attached. Okay, so why again I have made if head equal to null, then we have to make something. Is it understood or काय कळत नाही ते सांगा ना. कळतंय का?
हो सर.
Okay, so head is equal to tail is equal to new node that we have. Okay, so in else part what we have to write? Suppose now first node is already inserted, so that we have seen. Suppose this is first node is already inserted. So then what terminology we have to write in else part? Yes. You should be attached to tail, na? So this we have written this part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll just see now. Okay, so it is tail next is equal to new node. Okay, new node previous is equal to tail. Okay, and tail is equal to tail next you can do, otherwise you can do new node. All will be okay. Okay, so this will be else part. So this, by this way, we are adding the element at end. Getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what I will do, I will just remove this also from here and will write one function, that is node. Okay, star. Okay, so that is insert. Okay, so to this I will make insert new node, or insert node. I will call this function. Okay, so I'll write over here, and to this function I will just give a create node as a name. Okay, so that will be more suitable. Okay, so this is create node. Okay, so this create node will return us. Okay, so I will make it create node. Okay, so this will be made as create node. Okay, what we'll do now, head and tail will make it as global. Okay, so that will help us to work on this, so there will be no error in this working head and tail. Okay, so still white is error. Okay, so instead of that, what we'll make over here, node is equal to like this. Okay, so this will be created head and tail as global, so there will be no issue over here. Okay, and to this function, what will pass? Okay, so after creation of the new node, so insert new node, we'll just make here create node. Okay, so that will just make create node over here. So this we have passed the number as 20. Okay, so here also we'll just make n small. Okay, create node is created, so to this 20 is passed, so it will return as a new node. Okay, so now which function we have to call? Insert node. Okay, so to the insert node, so I will pass new node. Okay, and here I will just write here. Okay, so it is node star new node. Okay, so that's we have, and we'll just make here void. Okay, so there is no need to return any status code. You can return as integer value, but we can make it void. Okay, I'll just write over here like create node, so we'll have void insert node. Okay, so in bracket we'll have this node star. This will be end over here. Okay, so this is the function that we have, that is insert node. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this we have. So we'll insert node. So again insert node. Okay, any spelling mistake?
Yes, sir. TP, insert T.
Insert T राहिला ना. ठीक है. I think hope it's clear. Okay, so we have call the insert node. So once the new node is created, so it will call the insert node. Okay, so it will insert the node at the tail point. Okay, so I think it will work. So always it will come. So it will add the node over here. So what we'll do now, we'll just repeatedly call this. Okay, so I will just make 30. Let's make 40. Just make 50. Okay, so this way we'll just create a sequence. Okay, so there is no need to call here from also. So instead of this create node, you can also call here only. Okay, so there will be, it's your own choice. Okay, so this is my node 1. I will just write over here / node 1. Okay, so that we have created with this. Okay, then we'll have / node 2. Okay, so that we have created over here. Then / node 3 that we have created over here. / node 4 we have created over here. Okay, so these 4 nodes are created. Any doubt in this? This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now how to print? Okay, so we'll make now display from head. Okay, so that I will make now. Okay, so how to display from head then? How we can do this? So we'll make this temp is equal to head. Yes, so the temp will have, and we'll just make while temp next not equal to null. What we have to do? Yes, what we need to do now in this case, because temp is now at this place. Okay, so temp will be at this place we are starting. So we have to move next. Okay, so temp is now assigned to head. Okay, so this will be like this. Okay, and we have to move temp next until we'll get temp next is equal to null. Getting? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we just make temp next not equal to null. Then we'll just make cout data. I just say Okay, we'll just make temp data. Okay, so instead of data, what we'll do now, I'll just remove this from over here, I'll just add the space, and I'll just make out head fashion. So it will make head. Next will be this. Okay, so we'll just see now how it will look like. Okay, what's an error? Segmentation fault. What we are missing? Okay, so to the new node we have not assigned any new. New node is equal to new node. Okay, so it's an infinite. What missing? Okay, we have not made temp is equal to temp next. Yes. We'll just see. Okay, getting 20, 30, 40. So any node is missing. So 50 is missing. Okay, so it should be now temp next null. Okay, so I50 is missing. Just check any code we have made wrong. But 20 is initially we have added, 30 is added, 40 is added. Okay, so here we have made temp is equal to head, temp next is equal to null, not equal to null. So we'll just make like this instead of this. Temp not equal to null. So I'll do it. Getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same
Yes, sir.
I will, yes, same code I will copy and paste, and display from I will just make tell. Okay, so what we do now in this case, display from tell.
Sir, head ला tail ने replace करो.
Yes, so only that we have to do. So temp is equal to tell. Okay, but here what is temp not equal to null? But it should be temp is equal to temp next or temp is equal to temp previous.
Previous.
So that we'll just see. I run this. Getting, so it's in reverse order. Getting how this is beneficial to move forward and move backwards with this
Yes, sir. Yes.
doubly linked list. Okay, so now if I added some nodes, okay, in random. Okay, so suppose I will take for integer I equal to 0, I less than 5. Okay, so we'll just make this. Okay, and I'll just add more 4 nodes over here. Okay, so the same code I just repeat. Okay, and I will just make over here 50 into or 5 into, we'll just make 5 into I. Okay, that should be 1 to 5. So any number of nodes you can add, so that will work, no issue. Getting, so these all nodes are added. Okay, so this 20, 30, 40 will be initial, then 55. If you see the sequence, it is in reverse order, tell to head. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but why this is 2 at the end? So let's check. Okay, so we have 20 as it is, 15, 10, 5, 50, 40, 30. And it should be any, okay, 0 kuta miss झाला का बघा जरा. But I think there is no issue. Okay, so it's working fine. Okay. प्रिंटिंगचा इश्यू आहे तो, कारण बघा परत जरा मूव्ह केलं की ते काहीतरी वेगळंच होतं. ठीक आहे, बट गॉट द कोड, हाव इट इज वर्किंग नाउ, इट्स ओके. Okay, any doubt? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is about what we can say doubly linked list, how it is working. Okay. So just what you'll do, I just share this link to you. Okay, you just go through this for 5 minutes. Okay, just check if any sort of error you have. Okay, anything is not understood to you. Okay, you just tell me. Okay. Okay, थोडंसं हे करा, थोडंसं एखादं एक्झाम्पल जस्ट गो थ्रू करा. ही स्क्रीन मी अशीच ठेवतो आणि तुम्ही हे करा, त्यातून गो थ्रू करा. मी 2 मिनिटात जॉईन होतो परत. ठीक आहे. Okay, ठीक आहे. The screen is already over here. Code is shared to you. You just find out the doubts. Okay. So once it is cleared, so then addition deletion is a very simple thing. Okay, so that we can do. Okay, hello, any doubt? Okay, can we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we'll do now, so we'll just delete the part, and okay, we'll try to insert the element at the head initially. Okay, so that we'll do, and then we'll move forward. Okay. Okay, so now we'll just move to this diagram again. I will just remove everything over here. So I hope it's understood now clearly more. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So we'll take the initial task some time, okay, because if initial everything is clear to you, the rest of the thing only just adding to that the basic scenario what we have studied, okay, so that we have to just go through. इनिशियल जर का तुम्हाला कळलंच नाही लिंक कशा जनरेट होतात लिंक कशा आपण अटॅच करतो इफ इट इज नॉट क्लिअर टू यू then there is no means to go ahead, okay, so because that's the thing is very what we'll say not an use. Okay, so now suppose I have created one new node, okay, so with some value, okay, so suppose some value we can take 8 as a value. Okay, so now this new node I have to add at the head end. Okay, so this is my head end, I can say, and this is my tail end. So how we can add at the head end? Just tell me. How we can add this particular node at head end? This is my new node. Okay, so with both ends are null. Yes. Yes, hello. How we can do that at head end? So this is my new over here. Okay, so just tell me how we can do this. New to be added at the head end. Yes, anyone? Yes. Okay. Yes. How to add at the head end? Getting, not getting. Yes, anyone? कसं करणार हेडला आपण ऍड? एनी गेस और कळते का नाही कळते काय चाललंय? हॅलो
सर पहिले न्यू नोडला हेडने पॉइंट करायचं आणि नंतर हेडला त्या नवीन जो
okay, so new node next will be head. Yes,
हो सर
head previous will be new node. Okay, and head is equal to new node, so we'll just move to head over here. Okay, so it will be very simple actually. Okay, so we'll just make this like this, new node. Okay, next equal to head. Okay, then head previous is equal to new node. Okay, and head is equal to new node. Getting? So can we add like this? This is clear to everyone?
येस सर
कळते ना सगळ्यांना काय चाललंय? I'm taking much time for this because this is very important. If you have not understood this, then there is no use of teaching this. कळते का काय ते new node and all this we are doing?
हो
Yes.
सर.
Okay, ठीक. So this new node next is head. Head previous is equal to new node and head is equal to new node. So that's we have. Okay. So now, so that will do this. Okay. So this will be added at the head end. Okay. So that will have. So now suppose there is one node. Okay. So we have created another node. Suppose. Okay. So this is my new node at this place. Suppose X place, or we can say this is my new node which is created at this place. Okay. And I have to attach this node at this position. Suppose that is the fourth position. My requirement is that I have to add the new node at the fourth position. So how we can do this? How we can add this at the fourth position? Yes.
सर थर्ड नोड पर्यंत ट्रॅव्हर्स करायचं आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर न्यू नोड ऍड करायचे.
Yes. So this is my head node. Okay. So what I will do, again I will take one temp node over here. Okay. So that temp is equal to head I will do. Okay. So and I will iterate this. Okay. So that we'll make temp is equal to temp next. Okay. So till we'll reach to the third node. Okay. So we'll reach over here. So my temp is pointing over here now. So how we can add this node into temp? Okay. This is my new node. So how we can add, how the back link of this, how the front link of this and these two nodes will be modified. Just tell me how we can do this. Temp next is equal to new node. Okay, so that is one thing. Okay, no issue, good one. Okay, so we'll just one by one we'll do. Okay, you just go and you just tell me how we can do this. Okay, so I will take this over here. Okay, so temp is over here. Okay, so temp next is equal to new node. Okay, so what is new node previous? Temp. Okay, so that two are added. Okay, so I'll just take one another color, so that will just see. Okay, so we'll just take red. Okay, so what we did now, temp next is like this. Okay, so that is added over here. Okay, and new node previous is temp. Okay, so new node previous is added over here. So now which two links now remained? Which link is now remained?
New node next.
Okay, so new node next is what? New node the next guy will? Is it temp next?
पता क्या मार रहा है?
Temp next.
Hello?
हाँ? कि नहीं? कैसी?
Coachless, just mute
Huh?
yourself. Coachless, mute. Okay. Okay, so what is new node next then? So it is temp next. Can we make like this? New node next is temp next. Will it work?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone agrees. Will it work or it will not work? होईल काही नाही होणार.
Well, sir.
Okay,
Hoil,
okay. So now if you see, but already we have modified temp next is equal to new node initially. Okay, so temp next is now not this link. This is pointing over here. So it will again loop, self loop will be there. So it is pointing to itself. Getting?
Sir, tell ला करायला लागेल ना, new node next is equal to tell. Tell.
Okay, but how it is to be tell? There may be few more elements in between.
सर
ते
दोन
तिथे
next
हा, पहिले temp.
ते इथे पण असू शकतं ना या ठिकाणी.
हा, okay, okay.
हा, हा. काय करायला लागेल? जस्ट टेल मी.
Sir, temp next.
टेम्प नेक्स्ट तर टेम्प नेक्स्ट हा झाला ना एलिमेंट, न्यू नोडच झाला ना, त्याचा नेक्स्ट काहीच नाही
हा,
ना.
okay. हा, okay. हा.
Okay, so before making this temp next is equal to new node, so we have to do something. Okay, so can we make like this? New node previous is equal to temp. Okay, then we'll make a new node next is equal to temp next, and then we'll make temp next is equal to new node. Will it work? Just a hierarchy we want to change. Okay, so I will just write this. Okay, so what we'll do now, this is new node previous is equal to temp. Okay, new node next is equal to temp next. Okay, and temp next is equal to new node. So will it work? Yes, just check will it work or not.
येस सर.
येस सर, इट विल वर्क.
ओके, सगळ्यांना कळालंय? कुणाला कळालं नाही असं आहे का कोण? Anyone amongst you in this? Okay, I hope it's not that much difficult to understand. Just you have to make some extra efforts. You have to brainstorm. Okay, so that will help you. Okay. Okay, so I think it's understood to you. Yes or no? कळालं ना? एवढा पाठ कळाला? How doubly linked list works and how it is operated. So that much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay, so this is our next assignment actually, doubly linked list. So that practically we also have to implement. Okay, but theoretically you must do, and this also I have already shared you. Okay, so in today's practical we'll try to start with this. Okay, so with some basic functionality. Okay, so I'll just take attendance. Okay, so and you just practice these concepts, huh? Doubly linked list, circular, because these are very simple, but if you work on that, then only it will be very simple. Otherwise it seems to be difficult. 6 is absent, 20 is absent. $38 is absent. 46 is absent. 48 absent. Okay, so option number 620, 38, 46, and 48. Okay, so these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are absent. Okay, then thank you very much. We'll meet again. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
And okay, bye.